Hi, this is Darren, and I'm bringing to you another review of the Kapot Office Mesh Chair. And so we just bought this. It came packaged real nice. There's a few pieces here. Everything's bubble wrapped and/or in cardboard boxes, so I'm real happy about that. And so we're going to put it together. I'll show you how to streamline the assembly process, and we'll go ahead and get started. Just like that. Okay, put the wheel on. And now we'll take the gas shock here. It's a big heavy duty gas shock. Put the little cap on there. Right here. And then on the mechanism it's labeled front right here too. So you'll get the alignment right. Really like that. Saves you some time. One where it's labeled 1 and it's just the 4 bolts. Bolt, put your lock washer on, and then your flat washer. Really high quality product. Comes with that nice tool. I couldn't have got that in without a nice tool like that, so that's going to work good. So we got those 3 there. We got these 4 in here. Goes in the hole there. All right, we'll take the handles, and they're nicely labeled right and left. Okay, put the little plastic piece in there, and then your washer, and then the J bolt. And little chrome. And it's got a little tab so it fits in there just right. And step 10, this just fits. It's got a little clamp there, and it just fits on the back. You got those tightened real good in there before you put that on. And gonna set down in it. All right, this thing is super comfortable. I really like this chair, and that's the assembly part of it. And so really highly recommend the office chair. I hope this review helps you.